Hi
Hi guys,
guys,
this is my Viva.
and this is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ang labo na salamin ko. What's the most useful thing you own? Galaw ng galaw.
My
Sige, time. I'm giving you time to think.
books.
My books,
Kasi
yes.
instead of
That's,
going to school, you could just learn in books like encyclopedia, dictionary,
so
dictionary,
why is it useful?
because you could learn without getting teachers. Example, you want to learn animals, you could just search you could just go to the
Ano? What's that?
you if you
Ale,
want,
ano yun?
if you want to study animals and your school
Okay.
is closed, you don't have to watch in the eye, but you also have to use books like the what you call encyclopedia. You can just find the page. Yeah.
You just, yeah. Just fine. Parang kumain kasi ako ng champorado guys, kaya brown yung lips ko. Well, okay. That's a nice answer naman talaga. Sa mga kids like you, books are very useful for
Yes.
you. Maski naman hindi kids, kahit naman hindi kids,
And the
even
other
young
one is
adults
time.
or yung mga nag-aaral, basta nag-aaral, napaka-importante ng books. And minsan nga, kahit professional ka na, even you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you still need books. They still read books. It's, if they want to learn something, hindi ko mo professionals na sila, they know all na. So, lalo yung mga lawyers, yes, they keep on reading. Yes. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Good answer, Ella. Well, thank you for answering and thank you for watching, guys. Till our next
Bye.
video. Bye. God bless.